Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cleaning and inspecting the damage so paint will adhere. Grime hides problems. Once done, remove rust and sand the edges to a smooth feather. This prevents future peeling. Make sure to mask the panel tightly to protect factory finish and avoid overspray. Shake the touch-up paint 1 to 2 minutes and test on scrap to confirm color and flow. Now you're ready to apply, and you'll see why prep determines whether the repair lasts or fails. You apply primer only if bare metal is exposed, because paint won't stick to rust. Once tacky and cured per instructions, lay down the first paint coat thinly. Thin coats dry evenly and reduce drips. Make sure to wait about 60 to 90 seconds between coats, and feather each pass past the chip so edges blend with the factory finish. If you build color slowly and inspect after every coat, you control texture and gloss instead of chasing imperfections later. You finish with clear coat to seal color and match gloss. Apply 1 to 3 thin layers, letting each layer flash per product directions so solvents escape. Once cured, you can wet sand with 1,500 to 2,000 grit to remove orange peel, then polish with a compound to restore shine. If you see runs, let it dry, sand smooth, and reapply thin. If color still mismatches, stop and consult a pro. That troubleshooting step saves time and prevents making the repair worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.